seen the most common mistake they make is they do not follow the format. That's the biggest mistake you're making. Because when you use templates, it clearly show that this is not your original content. This is copied, memorized. आपने कहीं से copy किए. And you are using templates with the belief कि I'll be getting very good score. But the examiner who is checking your answer already knows, already has checked or seen these templates. So for examiner, these are not new statements. These are already, you can say, used statements or something that's copied. So you won't get good score if you use templates. This is the first mistake you're making. Second is, you should understand the difference between formal and informal English. IELTS writing requires you to use formal English. Formal English means we'll be using complex and precise words. Informal English means we'll be using words which are used in everyday English, simple words. Like if you say kids, that is not to be used in the writing. In place of kids, you should always write children. Pros and cons, no. In place of pros and cons, you should say advantages and disadvantages. अब ये kids and pros and cons informal words थे, हमारे bands को affect करें. Second mistake is using contractions like can't, won't, didn't. ये words we don't have to use. We should not use these words. Instead, we should use cannot, did not, will not. You can use contractions if you're writing IELTS letter. That is in IELTS general. Next is using idioms. And idioms I generally, see when you conclude your answer. The most common one is hammering the last nail in a nutshell. Instead, use the formal words to conclude, to sum up. Don't use phrasal verbs and colloquial phrases. Colloquial phrases mean the phrases which we use in everyday English, day-to-day English, like let's catch up, let's hang out. Instead of saying catch up, let's meet, let's reconnect. So you always have to check, you always have to understand the difference between formal and informal English if you want to score higher bands in